Cody? Cody? Hello? Say something, damn it! Please just come out and give them the canister. It's more dangerous than we thought it was. Something new. Some kind of virus that can permeate the skin.
We are detecting activity on the lower level of the structure.
Then it begins pumping chemicals into the brain to destabilize it.
Triangulate on that device. I want to know exactly where that canister is when we go in.
Please, you have no idea what you're dealing with. Cody. Oh my God, they're going inside. They'll kill you. They'll kill you.
First floor clear. Proceed to basement.
Cody, stop!
Power's out. Enabling infrared. Looks pretty empty from here.